video, we will study the attenuation characteristics of a fiber optic link using Synopsys RSoft OpSim. This is the schematic for the attenuation study. So basically in this example, we are using a 10 gigabits per second data transmission over a standard single mode fiber. And we will vary the fiber length and the corresponding receive power as well as the BER value will be observed so as to study the effect of fiber attenuation in the link. You can find the components that is used in this particular example from the Explorer section, all models, sample mode model. So here in the transmitter section, we are using a 10 gigabits per second transmitter. So we have a data source, NRZ driver, the CW laser source as well as external modulator. Go to sample mode models. If you go to the logical source section, you can find the data source here. You can find the modulator driver, NRZ rectangular driver from the modulator driver section. You can find the sine square amplitude modulator from the optical modulators. From optical sources, you can find the CW source. Under fibers, you can find the optical fiber, and under the receiver option, you can find the sensitivity optical receiver, and you can access all the measurement block from the measurement component section. You can just drag and drop these components and make connections as shown in the schematic. So here we are having a 10 gigabits per second transmitter. If you go to the properties of the data source, you can set the bitrate as 10. You can also go to the simulation setup, and under time domain you can set the corresponding VBS bandwidth in either terahertz or in nanometer. And here you can set the reference bit rate. This will be globally applicable to all the components that you will be dragging and dropping into your design area. You can also adjust the total simulated time span here. If you go to the laser properties, there you can see that we have set the sender emission frequency as 193.41 and the CW power is taken as 0 dBm. External modulator has an excess loss of 3 dB. You can set these parameters as per your application requirement. The 10 gigabits per signal is transmitted through the optical fiber. So here we are using a single fiber with an attenuation of 0.2 dB per kilometer. You can go to the properties of fiber and there you can set the length. In this case, since we are doing attenuation study with respect to the fiber length, we are going to create a variable named distance for the fiber length. For that, you will have to go to the symbol table, and under symbol table you will have to choose the add option, and you can add the variable distance and you can assign the value for that particular variable. So right now we have defined the variable as distance and the value is taken as 67.5, and then you will have to go to the optical fiber properties and there you have to give the variable that you have defined in the symbol table, distance, for the parameter length. Value is added here. At the receiver section, we are using a sensitivity receiver which is a pin photodiode type, and then we have connected a BER tester and scope so as to view the result. So in order to vary the fiber length, we have already defined the fiber length as a variable distance, and we have assigned that particular variable to the corresponding fiber block. To perform a parametric scan so as to vary the fiber length and observe the corresponding received power or attenuation, we will have to go to the run option and choose the option setup scan. So there you can add a column. You can choose a variable that you have defined and then you can add the values that you wish to analyze. In this case, we are varying the fiber length from 67.5 to 87.5 and click on OK. So once that is done, you can click onto the scan button and click onto the yes option. So here you can find the scan parameters and you can start the parameter scan using the start parameter scan option. Once simulation is complete, you can just view the received power with respect to the fiber distance. Go to the receive power meter and view the correlation diagram, and you can just open the receive power option here, optical power, double click. You can plot the optical power with respect to the fiber distance. For that, under correlation diagram setting, choose the y-axis variable as optical power at power receiver. Select the graph kind as curve and click on next. So here in the x-axis we need fiber length as a variable. So just go to the variable option and choose a distance. So now you can see that under x-axis distance is taken as the variable and click on to finish. So now you can see received power versus fiber distance. So from here you can see how attenuation varies with the fiber distance. You can also analyze the BER value with respect to the fiber length. So you can just go to the BER option, BER at optimal threshold, double click. The y-axis is BER and the graph kind is chosen as curve. Click on to the next option, and here for the x-axis we can add the variable fiber distance and click on finish. So right now you can see the BER value with respect to the fiber distance. If you go to the view option and if you go to the y-axis properties, you can see that right now the scale is logarithmic. If you want linear scale to be analyzed, you can just click on to the linear option and click OK. So you can see the corresponding change. Likewise, you can study the effect of fiber attenuation on the fiber link.